Hi everyone. Well, I thought I'd show you the ongoing progress of this corner, the never-ending corner. I expect you're all getting a little bit sick of this area, but it's what I'm focusing on at the moment. It's nearly done, so I'll be moving on to other things shortly. So I'll take you in for a closer look at what's been done. Right, so we can see I've made another one of the wheels kits and I've painted it up and put some quick fit stickers on there, or labels that I printed out myself, just to give it I couldn't really decide what to do, so I was thinking what's usually on industrial on industrial estates and things like that, and I thought, yeah, tyre place would be alright, and I just went with quick fit. So I've stuck a couple of cars outside. So we've got the raw mail depot there. I've stuck some raw mail signs on it now. The only thing still to go on here is a fence and a gate, which will go across here. The ramp, I've put some greenery along there. I started trying to do the road markings, but my Woodland Scenics road marking pen was running out, so it's a bit faint, so I'll have to redo that. So if we go around here, and let me change angle. So there we have the grassy bank there, and the girder frontage going across. And above that we've got the quick fit. So this has still got to be scenic and stuff like that. Got the Western Power little site, so I've stuck signs on it. Sorry about the jerky camera work. And then we've got the sign on the back of the fire exit there. Not sure if you can make that out or not. Right, I really do apologise for the shaky camera. And then we've got the street lights. So I'm not going to show you the wiring for the street lights because it is a complete mess. Wiring's not one of my strong points, but it works. So I'll tidy it up at some point, and no doubt you'll probably see it. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. If you'd like to see the previous video, click the top link. If you'd like to subscribe, click the bottom link. Thanks for watching.